Audio Jungle.
Ford's midsize Ranger pickup truck has been totally redesigned for the 2024 model year, adopting bolder front-end styling inspired by the larger F-150. While Ford sells the Ranger with a turbo diesel V6 in some overseas markets, the American version comes with a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine as standard. A more powerful twin-turbo gas-fired V6 engine is optional, and both engines can be had with rear or four-wheel drive. The price of the 2024 Ford Ranger starts at $34,265 and goes up to $45,225 depending on the trim and options. Inside, the Ranger's cabin receives a modern look with an available digital gauge display, textured dashboard trim, and honeycomb-patterned air vents. Most of the truck's various controls and buttons have been digitized and are now part of the infotainment system. The shift lever is also new and takes some getting used to since the release button is on the front, rather than the side. Ford has incorporated several interior storage solutions into the new Ranger's interior design, including a hidden upper glove box in the dashboard, larger door pocket cubbies, and storage located under the truck's rear seat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.